Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gaming with Luffy. On today's video I will show you and explain you which grip uh, you should use on which gun for spraying in long range. Okay, so now let make the guns ready. All of the guns for M4 I will recommend you a half grip, and because the half grip reduces the recoil, increases the recoil recovery, and it has only one con, that is it makes the gun unstable. But in case of M4 it works perfectly. Let's see how the spray works on with a half grip. You can see the spray, it's very much accurate on that square or on that circle of that square. So there's a one more extra tip on that, why this circle is much more good. Now when I'm standing in front of this board, see the circle is pretty much around our head. So if we practice on the spray to keep much as many as bullets on that circle, it will be headshots practice. So the M4 I will for M4 I will recommend you a half grip. Now coming to Scarel. When we spray with Scar, the recoil is very much, the aim is very much unstable. You can see it's much more shaky. So if we put a half grip on the Scarel, it will increases its shakiness. Your aim might get choke. So it's better to use a light grip on it. It will help you very much. Okay, it will in long range spray. The best, I am telling you the best grips you can use on the guns. Okay, use a light grip on a Scarel, that will give you the best spraying accuracy. See, and now for G36C and AUG. For QBZ also I will recommend the light grip because it has the instability problem as Scarel. So use a light grip also in the QBZ. That makes the gun more stable. That makes your aim more accurate. Okay. See. And for G36C and AUG, these both of the guns has no horizontal recoil, so it will be very much good if we use a vertical foregrip only on both of these guns, because both of these guns has no horizontal recoil, it has only very high vertical recoil. So if we use a vertical foregrip, it will reduce the recoil of both of these guns. Now let's go. The aim got bit more shaky. See, seen the AUG spray, and now let's put a vertical foregrip on G36C. Okay, guys, these are the tips I am recommending you. This on mid-range phones, like the people who play on high FPS and in a low graphics. I will recommend you this grips will help you far more better than the people who recommend you to use this such and such grips on their videos, because many of them are playing the game on the extreme smooth extreme, but I on the other hand always play the game on high FPS. So this is my recommendation. So please do comment how this video helped you, and till then keep practicing and keep playing the game. Thank you. That's all from my side.